Welcome to the short video series How Do I Work with a Calf Monitoring App? My name is Paulina, I work in customer success at Futuro Farming. Topic of this video is the menu item system. Let's start the calf monitoring app. Then I go to the menu with the 3 dashes at the top left. There I select the item system. The page that opens shows the sensors. All sensors that have been connected to the account are listed here. At the top, you can see that the connection status of the sensors is updated once an hour. Below that, the app shows you how many sensors are currently connected. The search field can also be used to search for a specific sensor if needed. Let's now take a closer look at the information in the list. First, the serial number of the sensor is listed. Below that, if something has been entered, the box name is shown. In addition, the time of the last activity is named. On the right-hand side, there are up to 3 symbols. The first symbol shows the strength of the radio connection comparable to the display of the reception strength on a mobile phone. If the symbol is crossed out, there is no reception and no disease warnings can be given. However, a low reception of only 1 bar is already sufficient to ensure trouble-free operation of the system. The next symbol, the crossed out eye, is displayed when the auto mode for this sensor has been deactivated. As a result, calves that have been brought in or taken out of the pen are no longer automatically detected and must be logged in and out manually. We recommend leaving the auto mode activated. If it is activated, there is no sign. The last thing displayed is whether the sensor is currently monitoring a calf, in which case it says in use, or if it is still free. In the menu we are currently in, additional sensors can be added to the existing system. To do this, press the plus button. Now the QR code next to the serial number on a new sensor can be scanned. If this was successful, a green window appears and more sensors can be scanned if necessary. If changes are to be made to a specific sensor, the menu can be opened by pressing and holding on the sensor number. There are 3 functions. The alias can be changed, the auto mode can be activated or deactivated, and the sensor can be decoupled from the account. Especially the first point is relevant for your work. By changing the alias, the sensor can be assigned a new name, for example, a pen name. As well as a section for the sensors, there's also a section for the gateway. Here, the serial number of the gateway used is displayed. In addition, information is also provided as to whether the gateway has connected to the internet and how good the connection is. For a smooth functioning of the system, at least Edge should be displayed. If you see that the gateway is offline, the customer support should be contacted to find a solution to the problem together. If another gateway is to be added to the account, press the plus button. As in the procedure for the sensor, the QR code of the gateway can now be scanned. This can be found on the outer packaging, or if this has already been disposed, on the bottom of the housing where the cables exit. There's also a third section, the problems. This lists when problems occurred within the system. You can always see what the problem might be and how it can be solved. If you have any questions about these, please feel free to contact our customer support. We hope this supports you in the successful implementation of our application and helps you to raise calves in the best of health.